Medical device regulation and quality management are absolutely fundamental to safeguarding public health and ensuring that the devices we rely on are safe, effective, and perform as intended. These two interconnected areas form the backbone of the medical technology industry, building crucial trust between manufacturers, healthcare providers, and patients. Let's first talk about medical device regulation. Devices are subject to incredibly strict rules globally. Think of the European Union's Medical Device Regulation, or MDR, and its In Vitro Diagnostic Regulation, IVDR. In the United States, we have the Food and Drug Administration's regulations, particularly 21 CFR Part 820. What are the core components here? Firstly, device classification. Devices are categorized based on risk. Higher risk classes, like Class 3, demand much more rigorous scrutiny, more clinical evidence, and more intensive conformity assessment procedures before they can even touch the market. Then there's pre-market approval or notification. Before a device can be sold, manufacturers absolutely must demonstrate its safety and effectiveness. This often means submitting extensive technical documentation, detailed clinical data, and going through processes like pre-market approval or a 510(k) notification in the US, or seeking a CE marking through a notified body in Europe. Clinical evaluation and performance evaluation are also critical. Manufacturers have to gather and maintain robust clinical evidence. Think pre-market studies and ongoing post-market clinical follow-up to prove the device's clinical safety and performance. For IVDs, it's about scientific validity, analytical, and clinical performance. Every device needs comprehensive technical documentation detailing its design, manufacturing, intended use, risk management strategies, and clinical data. This isn't a one and done. It must be continually maintained and updated. Unique device identification, or UDI, is another key element. Both EU and US regulations mandate UDI systems to enhance traceability throughout the entire supply chain, from the factory floor right to the end user. This is vital for recall efficiency and safety tracking. Crucially, there's post-market surveillance and vigilance. Manufacturers are required to proactively collect and review data on their devices once they're out in the real world. This includes monitoring for incidents, identifying trends, and taking corrective actions. Any serious incidents must be reported promptly to the relevant authorities. That's vigilance. In the EU, the MDR and IVDR introduced the Person Responsible for Regulatory Compliance, or PRRC. This individual within the manufacturing organization has the specific responsibility of ensuring compliance with all the regulations. Even economic operators like importers and distributors have specific responsibilities to ensure device compliance and to cooperate with manufacturers and authorities. Now let's turn our attention to quality management in medical devices. A robust quality management system, or QMS, is absolutely essential for regulatory compliance and for consistently producing safe and effective devices. The international standard ISO 13485-2016 is the gold standard here. It's titled Medical Devices, Quality Management Systems, Requirements for Regulatory Purposes, and it's widely recognized, often a prerequisite for market access. What are the core principles of a medical device QMS? Based on ISO 13485, it's about a customer focus, ensuring devices meet patient needs and expectations with safety always paramount. There must be strong leadership from top management, setting quality policies and objectives. Engagement of people is vital, involving everyone in quality processes. A process approach views activities as interconnected, focusing on their effectiveness. Improvement is continuous with constant monitoring and analysis. Evidence-based decision-making means choices are driven by data, not guesswork. And relationship management ensures quality throughout the supply chain, including suppliers. Key QMS processes include meticulous document and record control, ensuring everything is properly managed from creation to retention. Management responsibility defines roles and ensures reviews of the QMS. Resource management ensures adequate personnel, infrastructure, and environment for product creation. A huge part is product realization, which covers the entire product lifecycle. Planning, design and development, purchasing, production, service, and control of monitoring and measuring equipment. Design and development control is a systematic approach to design, including rigorous planning, verification, and validation. Risk management is integrated throughout, following standards like ISO 14971 to identify, evaluate, and control risks. Finally, there's measurement, analysis, and improvement. This involves monitoring and measurement through internal audits,